Candid, CBSE Physics Lab Manual for Class 10th.
Aim of the experiment: to study the dependence of a current I on the potential difference V across a resistor and determine its resistance. Also plot a graph between V and I. Theory: this experiment is based on Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, if physical conditions of the conductor remain the same, the current I flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference V applied across it. In other words, I being directly proportional to V and V being directly proportional to I, we can say V is equal to IR, where R is the resistance of the conductor. It is measured in ohms. When V increases, I also increases, but the ratio V upon I always remains constant. The requirements for the experiment are an unknown resistance, a DC voltmeter, procedure: draw a neat and clean diagram of the circuit, mark the positions of aim of the experiment to determine the equivalent resistance. Theory: the requirements for the experiment are two different resistances, R1 and R2, a DC voltmeter, a DC ammeter, a one-way key, some connecting wires, a battery, and sandpaper. Procedure: draw a neat and clean diagram of the circuit,